Okay, we're back. Attorney Steve Vondran, drunk driving lawyer. Now we're talking about your professional license. Okay, what happens to your professional license when you get stopped for a DUI, you get busted? Let's say you're convicted, you're a first-time DUI, second-time DUI, hit and run, drugs in the car, something. Let's talk about these party crimes, right? Things that happen when you're out having fun, you go too far, you end up acting stupid, and you regret it the next day. Well, what happens aside from your criminal case and aside from your driver's license case, what's going to happen to your real estate license, your teaching license, your nursing license, okay, your law license? You need to think about these things, okay? Because in California, let's take real estate, for example. The California Bureau of Real Estate, the BRE, they're going to find out about your conviction through the California Department of Justice. They do share information. So you get this report that gets sent over to some auditor at the BRE, and they're looking at it, decide, wow, he was a .26 and drunk, and the things he was saying to the officer, oh my goodness, this is outrageous. Third time DUI, was doing this, doing that in public. Oh my gosh, we've got a big problem in here. And the real estate board may make the determination that your issue, that your conviction, the facts and circumstances surrounding your conviction are quote unquote substantially related to the functions, duties, or qualifications of the real estate business, and you could be looking at getting an accusation to lose your license. Now, when I say accusation, you do have due process rights in your license, your driver's license, your professional licenses. You do have a property interest in that license, so you do get something known as due process. Due process means that you'll have a hearing in most cases. Sometimes you have a restricted license, and that may not be the case. You may have no hearing in advance. You may immediately lose your license. But in most cases, you're going to have due process rights. So the right to a hearing, a right to have a lawyer represent you, a right to present evidence, a right to confront your accusers, those kinds of things. So you're going to get that right, but you could find yourself facing an accusation or a complaint from one or more boards. You may have several licenses. I know people that have law licenses and real estate licenses. You could find yourself in hot water with 2 different licensing boards. So these are the important things, and when that happens, I tell people, get a good attorney on board fast. Don't wait. Don't sit around. Sometimes people will send us letters a day before there's a hearing, or they were hoping that they could get it resolved on their own and not have to hire a lawyer. And it's they have a hearing the next day, or the hearing the next week, or they need an extension or a continuance, something. Get a good lawyer in early to help you on these types of cases, okay? So, you do have some defenses. You do have the ability to argue that the crimes are not substantially related to the duties, functions, and qualifications. It's case by case. It's fact intensive, and so you really need a lawyer that's going to bear down and look at those facts for you, try to come up with your best argument, the best way to advocate on your behalf. So if you've got any issues, check us out. You can find us at drunkdrivinglawyer.com. That's drunkdrivinglawyer.com. Okay? Have a great day. Thank you.